Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. Taking 1 cup of this tea a day you will forever get rid of joint pain. I thought it was a simple spice, but it turned out to be my salvation from joint pain. Our health is undoubtedly one of the most important tissues, but we all know that it is not so easy to stay healthy nowadays. The state of our body is influenced by the way we live, food, and other factors. Therefore, in our time it has become normal to see very young people suffering from diseases that were formerly only among the elderly. It is for this reason that more people are using traditional medicine recipes to maintain optimal health. Go in for sports, stick to proper nutrition and will be healthy. At present, the evil that has become common in the community is joint pain. Previously, older people suffered from this. Today everything is different. Pay attention to this recipe. This drink has a unique ability to fight pain in the joints. Among other benefits, this drink can help you cure the flu, cough, joint pain, gastritis, asthma, infections, get rid of parasites and not only. Many who face this kind of pain immediately go to the hospital, where they will be prescribed a series of anti-inflammatory and analgesic drugs. And the rest prefer recipes of traditional medicine. Unlike tablets, natural medicine does not harm other organs. In addition, it is much cheaper, more affordable and does not cause side effects. The recipe for a natural thyme-based beverage to strengthen the bone system, as well as to fight joint pain. You will need leaves of thyme, 1 teaspoon. Purified water, 1 glass. Honey, to taste. Lemon juice, optional. Preparation and use. First we must boil a cup of water over medium heat, and then pour the thyme leaves with this boiling water. Now allow the drink to brew for 10 minutes and add the lemon and honey to taste. This powerful drink should be taken every day, either on an empty stomach or before going to bed. In a few days after the start of treatment, you will feel a great difference in your health. Before applying for a doctor's consultation. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.